Welcome back to our channel. We continue our journey on question 6A3. Okay, find out the weight constant. So remember the weight constant is the weight equals the weight constant times the two concentration to its order, but both are order 1. Okay. So which one you will use? You can use the first data set or the second data set. Okay, so you just plug in and then calculate. Okay, calculation time. Pause and do it. Welcome back. Okay, let's work together. Okay, 3.20 times 10 to the power negative 8. And then K. Okay. 3.00 times 10 to the power negative 6. And then 2.00 times 10 to the negative 3. Okay, calculation time again. What is K? And remember, units has a mark too. So okay, after calculation, I'm sure you got it 0.533. Okay, and then the unit, second order. Okay, dm cube per mole per second. Okay, you got it. Well done. Okay, next part. Okay, next part is a general question. Okay, it's nothing to do with the context. Okay, here talk about explain why increasing the temperature increases the rates of a chemical reaction. Remember, increase the temperature, the kinetic energy increases, right? So move faster, right? Move faster, so the collision frequency, collision chance increases, right? So collision number of collision between molecule increases, so the chance of reaction increases, right? But moreover, when the kinetic energy increases, okay, more molecules has a higher energy than the activation energy, you can say, okay. So it is the reaction rate further increases, right? Activation energy. So both maybe they will give you 2 marks for both factor, but to me I prefer to write them all. Okay, right, for safety. Okay, write more to make exam. Okay, and also write more in details. Okay, so we finish question 6, and we will proceed to the last question 7. Okay, let's go.